Balance per cash book before adjustments. ABC Co.'s bank statement shows an overdrawn balance of $9,650 at 30 June 20X7. A check against the company's cash book revealed the following differences. 1. Bank charges of $50 have not been entered in the cash book. 2. Lodgements recorded on 30 June 20X7, but credited by the bank on 2 July $3,675. 3. Check repayments entered in cash book but not presented for payment at 30 June 20X7, $6,950. A check payment to a supplier of $1,050 charged to the account in June 20X7, recorded in the cash book as a receipt. Based on this information, what was the cash book balance before any adjustments? Answer. Balance per bank statement minus $9,650. Bank charges $50. Lodgements $3,675. Check payments minus $6,950. Check payment misposted $2,100. Balance per cash book before adjustments minus $10,775.